Today we're comparing the Sperax Walking Pad and the UREVO Walking Pad based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's see how these two compact exercise solutions measure up against each other. When it comes to the motor and noise levels, the Sperax Walking Pad steps ahead with a 2.5 HP motor, capable of supporting up to 320 pounds. And maintaining a quiet operation? On the flip side, the UREVO Walking Pad with its 2.25 HP motor supports up to 265 pounds and is also designed for quiet use. Both are ideal for home workouts without disturbing others, but the Sperax offers a bit more power and weight capacity. In terms of display and control, both walking pads come equipped with LED displays and remote controls for convenient adjustments during workouts. The Sperax shines with its ability to track speed, distance, time, and calories, while the UREVO adds step counting and a mute button for those who prefer a quieter workout experience. Both aim to keep your focus on the workout, not on fiddling with settings. Design and portability are crucial for users with limited space. The Sperax boasts an installation-free and space-saver design, making it a breeze to store away. UREVO, however, is not far behind with its lightweight build and two front wheels, simplifying movement and storage. Both models offer a solution for keeping your living space clutter-free, but your preference between pushing or pulling might tip the scale. Amazon reviews highlight the Sperax Walking Pad as a reliable, quiet, and easy-to-use option for staying active at home, with special praise for its speed options and mobility. The UREVO Walking Pad is celebrated for its compactness, user-friendliness, and effectiveness in integrating exercise into daily routines, despite some stability and remote control issues. Both products have their fans, with preferences often coming down to specific features or personal needs. Which walking pad do you think suits your fitness journey better, the Sperax or the UREVO? Share your thoughts by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and leaving a comment below. Let us know your preference and why. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for more details. Your input helps us and others make smarter buying decisions. Thanks for watching.